MI-3882 Universal Tablet Wall Mount Installation. Using a bubble level, hold the mount against the wall in the desired location and mark the wall through the 4 bolt holes. Unscrew the bolt on the top of the wall mount to separate the 2 parts. For drywall, drill either the left or right screws through the wall plate into a wall stud. For concrete or stone, drill holes in the marked areas using a 1/16 inch drill bit to a depth of 1.38 inches. Insert the provided concrete anchors into the drilled holes, then attach the wall plate to the wall in the orientation shown here using the screws provided. Choose your desired orientation between landscape and portrait. Attach the tablet case to the front of the plate using the provided bolts to the front of the case and secure it with the provided nuts using the wrench. Loosen the bolts on the back of the tablet case with the hex wrench and expand it to a size larger than the tablet. Insert the tablet and adjust the sides of the case until all 4 corners are snug. Tighten the bolts back down to secure. Hang the tablet case on the wall plate, ensuring that the hooks are fully seated into the holes. Reinstall the bolt onto the top of the wall mount to secure. The tablet case can also be mounted to any VESA compatible stand with the dimensions of 75 by 75 millimeters.